Cosmic signs. When we look at Earth, we see mountains, oceans, and land. But beneath our feet lies a complex structure made of four main layers. First, the crust, the surface where all life exists. Beneath it, the mantle, a hot, moving layer that causes continents to shift. Deeper lies the outer core, made of liquid metal, which creates Earth's magnetic field, protecting us from harmful radiation. At the center, the inner core, a solid sphere of iron, hotter than the surface of the sun. The Quran tells us Allah created 7 Earths, one above another 65 to 12. This verse perfectly aligns with modern geology, which confirms Earth's many layers. The Earth beneath us is truly a divine miracle. Subscribe to Cosmic Signs and discover more hidden wonders. Did you know that the Earth has 7 layers? No, not 7 skies. The 7th layer is in the center of the planet. You can't see it. Let us take a journey to the center of the Earth and discover the 7 wonders of the Earth's core. Number 1. Crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Each layer has a special role to play. For example, the crust is where we live. It's where our oceans and mountains and valleys are. It's also where all of the action is. Like when tectonic plates collide, it causes earthquakes and volcanoes. The mantle is like a thick, hot soup that flows very slowly. It takes thousands of years for it to move. But when it does move, it can cause some big changes on the surface. Like when the mantle rises up, it can create mountain ranges. Or when the mantle dives down, it can form deep ocean trenches. And then there's the outer core. This is a liquid layer of iron and nickel. It's so hot that the metal boils and becomes a liquid. The movement of the liquid metal creates electric currents which generate a magnetic field around the Earth. This magnetic field protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. And finally, the inner core. This is the center of the Earth. It's solid iron and nickel. Even though the temperature is over 5,000 degrees Celsius, the pressure is so intense that it keeps the core from boiling. It's like having a giant ball of iron and nickel in the center of the Earth. Now let's look at this from the perspective of the ants. When the plates of the Earth's crust collide, it can cause earthquakes that shake the ground. The ants are too small to feel the vibrations. They just carry on with their daily lives. But the vibrations can be strong enough to knock over an anthill. If an earthquake happens, the ants will have to work hard to rebuild their home. Volcanoes are even more dramatic. When a volcano erupts, it can send hot lava and ash raining down on the ants. The ants will have to run for their lives. Some may even get burned alive in the lava flow, but not all volcanoes are dangerous. Some are dormant and haven't erupted in thousands of years. Others have never erupted at all. These volcanoes can be climbed without any danger. The Quran tells us that the Earth has 7 Earths. In fact, it says, "And the earth he has placed thereby, firmly set it, and has brought forth water from it." So the 7 Earths could be the 7 layers of the Earth. Each layer has its own unique properties and characteristics. Just like the different layers of a cake, each layer builds on the one below it. Together, they create something bigger and more complex than any one layer could on its own. Just like the different layers of a cake, each layer builds on the one below it. Together, they create something bigger and more complex than any one layer could on its own. I hope you enjoyed learning about the 7 layers of the Earth. Do you know any obscure facts about the Earth? Share them in the comments below.